Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get to a particular parking lot that you have found on the Parker application. So how to use the navigation feature, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Then you should select your location either by typing it into the search bar or tap on it on the map. And after that, click on the navigation button down below on the left side of the screen. Then select an app on your device, and after that you will be able to see the location and start the navigation. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.